Introduction to scheduling across time zones.
Coordinating video calls with people in different time zones can be challenging. Google Meet, paired with Google Calendar, offers several built-in tools that simplify the scheduling process. Whether you're collaborating with a global team or meeting international clients, mastering these features ensures everyone is on the same page and avoids confusion.
Checking and adjusting your Google Calendar time zone.
Start by ensuring your Google Calendar displays the correct time zone for your location. Open Google Calendar, go to Settings, and verify your current time zone. If you travel frequently or work remotely, you can enable the secondary time zone option to display two time zones side by side, making cross-region scheduling much easier.
Creating events with invitees in different time zones.
When scheduling a Google Meet, add all invitees' email addresses in your calendar event. Google Calendar automatically translates the meeting time to each participant's local time zone based on their calendar settings. This helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures everyone sees the event at the correct local time.
Using the World Clock and Time Zone tools.
Take advantage of Google Calendar's World Clock feature. Activate it in the calendar settings to see current times in multiple cities. Before selecting a meeting time, check these clocks to find a slot that's reasonable for all participants. This tool is especially helpful when scheduling across several continents.
Sending invites and confirming participation.
Once your event is created and Google Meet link added, send the invitations. Attendees will receive the invite in their own time zone. Encourage invitees to click yes or no so you can confirm availability. If there are time conflicts, use Calendar's suggested times feature to find alternatives that work for everyone.
Tips for smooth video conferences across time zones.
For best results, clearly state the meeting time, including the time zone in event descriptions. Consider sharing a link to a time zone converter if the group is large. Always double-check daylight saving changes and remind participants before the call. Using these Google Meet and Calendar features, global collaboration becomes much more efficient.